doorbell videos of all time.
Holy. Aww. Yeah. Oh. Is that a deer? Poor dog.
They tried to ding-dong ditch their neighbor.
Oh no, she got confused. Imagine.
They left a note on the tip asking for the pizza delivery guy to do a dance.
What the?
His upstairs neighbors were partying last night, and he decided to complain about it.
That looks like a.
You guys were doing something last night, right?
Yeah.
I was just gonna say, you guys got last night, and normally I wouldn't make it a problem, but next time invite your neighbor, dude. I want to party too.
Oh, that's so awesome.
These people left special instructions for their delivery driver to shout when dinner arrives.
Dinner!
She didn't read the label explaining that the package was fragile.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
Oh, okay. Hey.
He was trying to load a snowmobile onto his truck.
A snowmobile? Holy, imagine. What was
This
that?
delivery driver was caught slamming down food that someone ordered.
Hey, that's not cool. Hey! He slipped.
I can't reach it.
He got on rich there, man.
This new neighbor walked over to introduce himself.
Oh, this is no
And he threw flakes in it.
Mommy,
Put the
this is
stuff
no
down and then
porn.
you throw this. Sorry.
Is this the fastest ding-dong ditch of all time?
The... Hey. The hell? Ah, he slipped.
This delivery guy was trying to drop off this balloon and birthday card.
Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Oh no, man. Oh no. Oh no. It's just getting better and better. Oh, I think I saw the clip. It's, yeah. That's hole in one.
Something weird was sitting on their doorbell camera.
What is that? Ugh. Is that a rat? Yo. Hey.
Sorry, we're not interested.
Huh?
What? Delivery. What's up, guys? About to give you the hardest decision of your young lives.
Okay.
Are you gonna take the candy or are you gonna take the potato? All right. Okay. Wow.
What? Oh my god.
She decided to ding-dong ditch her neighbors while on a hoverboard. She didn't realize that there was a spider web outside of her door.
Holy. Whoa. Jeez, I got...
She couldn't control her dogs that wanted to chase the skunk.
Oh, the skunk's cute.
This cat
That's
was letting his
funny.
owner know that he
That's some
wanted to
little
come
shit.
inside.
Aww.
This
That's so
delivery guy
cute.
doesn't care that this truck is on fire.
Huh?
Thank you. Matt! Matt, your truck's on fire!
He was trying to ding-dong ditch his house, but was immediately caught in the act.
Ma'am, did you just move here? Yeah. There's a lot of kids playing around here. Okay. Have a nice day.
Come back in the house.
He got it.
This dad spoke to his daughter through the doorbell camera.
Welcome home, Ella.
Yes, God.
Thank God.
Oh! What the hell? My God!
Damn.
I gotta sit down.
She was trying to go for a walk when the dog spotted something.
What was that? Holy, it's a whole ass bear, man. No.
I had no idea it was possible to fall like this.
Imagine.
These kids are trying to sneak out of the house without setting off the camera.
Oh.
That camera's gonna go off now, you idiot! You're standing right in front of it!
Just. Yeah. Yeah. He almost got it.
Holy no! Holy! Oh my God! No!
What the heck?
This poor dog was scared of a frog.
It's a German Shepherd, I think, right? Ugh. Was not expecting that. Though.
Jesus, there's an iguana in the front yard!
I think his
What?
little brother might be a ninja.
I thought it's a lizard. Whoa. That's badass. Is that a Jeff Bezos?
So this is pretty scary. This is why it's so important to watch for your kids.
Mommy! They're following me! Mommy!
Ducks?
This mantis rang the doorbell, and the homeowner was super confused when he didn't see anyone at the door.
Holy. He's
They
so
found this
good.
crazy bug hanging out on their front door.
Look at it. Get out of there.
What?
Get out of there.
Is that a raccoon?
People inside this house were watching a scary movie and totally forgot that they ordered some food delivery.
Looks like a New York outskirts.
This is a pretty crazy chain of events.
Oh. No, the car, man. The car. No, oh no. Oh. He's safe. That's like Florida. Hey. That's right. Holy.
A bunch of ants got together and tried to steal this package.
Huh? A whole gang of bandits. Goddamn, robbing packages and shit. Like, they evolving.
This nosy neighbor needs to mind his own business.
crazy, man. Imagine. Oh. Oh. Oh no. Oh no.
The good news is that he wasn't hurt. This goat decided to deliver their package.
Looks fine. That's what we call a goat delivery. Oh my god, he's mean. Hey yo, hey yo, hey yo.
This postman went to the wrong address and he told him to go to the house across the street.
Yeah, the one with the
That's a
yeah,
UK.
number 77, please, mate, to the right. Yeah, mate, please.
Oh my god.
Her dog was refusing to come inside, so she realized that if she pretends that she's dead, her dog will come over. You can see the moment this dog feels dumb after
That's smart.
accidentally ringing the doorbell.
Ouch.
Are you okay? I didn't see that.
That was fast. What was that? Oh. Almost. Almost got it.
No one is here. No one. See? Look. No one. Stop barking.
This delivery driver couldn't resist the temptation.
Oh, that's a golden retriever right there. That's a good boy. What the?
Sometimes it's a good idea to put the phone down.
What the? Is she
This lizard decided
crazy?
to ring this doorbell.
Hey, that's a Geico. He's from Geico. Huh?
Mason, what did you just do?
He just broke his. Oh my god.
Here's a great way to ruin a Christmas present surprise.
Oh no, that's supposed to be classified.
Oh, what the Close your eyes. Get inside. Get inside. That is not for you. You did not see that. You did not see that.
Poor little guy got scared of the talking robot.
Camera recording.
What?
He was so proud of himself for chasing away these geese.
Oh shit! Oh.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. This girl cats. Oh man.
This delivery guy loved their car so much that he asked for a picture with it.
Take the helmet off, yeah. Ready?
Thank you so
Whoa.
much.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
Is that alright?
Is
I
that
have never
his
seen someone
delivery?
struggle so much with ice.
Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Oh. Oh.
This delivery driver saw this person's cat, and I'm not sure why, but they started licking it.
What the no comments. No comments, guys.
For some reason, a frog was hanging out on their front door.
No comments.
Oh.
What? Slug?
No. Frog. What?
They got pizza delivery, and under the special instructions section, asked the delivery guy to knock 3 times, twerk, and run away.
To work.
These twins were caught making the same exact pose on camera.
3, 2, 1.
This trick-or-treater thought he could get away with stealing all the candy.
Oh no. Oh! Oh my god.
Are you okay?
That was instant karma right there. Oh my
A
god,
bear tried
double
to eat this man's
kill.
dogs, but was able to scare the bear away.
Oh my god, he's fighting a bear. Where's the dog?
He was walking over, about to get into his car when this happened. So this has got to be the worst delivery driver of all time, right?
I mean, I was fast at least. Yo, man. What's your
This guy met
dog?
his girlfriend's dog for the very first time.
Oh, right in that balls, man. He just
Don't
bit
worry,
him.
he wasn't hurt. This little guy is lucky to be alive.
Ah. Oh shit. Is that a falcon?
Here you go. Thank you. You're welcome. I love you. Goodbye.
Bye.
Package thieves are starting to get really bold now.
Oh.
Whoa.
Their porch was so shiny and clean
was
that they thought it
fast.
was wet paint.
You're so close.
Oh.
This guy had no idea that he ran right past the mountain line.
Oh. Another deer.
These kids kept ding-dong dishing their house, but they were ready this time.
Oh my god. Jeez, I got scared.
This delivery guy forgot to properly park his car.
I was not expecting that.
This guy just got done with shoveling his driveway.
Oh no.
He wanted to give the pizza guy a hug after delivering the pizza.
Thank you, I appreciate it. Enjoy, have a good night. Bye-bye.
Oh, look at him. You're trying to give him a hug.
Say hello, bud. Enjoy your pizza.
This Uber Eats delivery guy tried to steal the food that he was delivering, but the unexpected happened. Just as the delivery guy was driving away, the customer was pulling up to the house and caught the delivery guy in the act and stopped him.
Oh.
This giant tornado was spotted on this
He's
doorbell
angry.
camera.
Holy, look at that. That thing's huge.
A very concerned neighbor called the police because they thought there was a dead body in this woman's car.
So
we got a call. Somebody's concerned. Are you like a hairstylist?
No.
So there's like hair hanging out of your thumb?
Oh my Jesus.
Someone's
Oh,
like...
that's my weave. Oh, hold on. That's not my wig. Hold on. Oh.
Oh my god, that's actually okay. That looks like that. In the face, man.
This woman caught these door-to-door salesmen both roasting and complimenting her at the same time.
Would you like to buy some chocolates or school fundraiser?
How much is it?
$2 each.
$2? Let me go see if I have cash.
Okay. Oh, lips look like that.
Oh!
She's no good for why her lips look like that.
Their dog tried to scare away this delivery guy.
He's locked in.
These
So the
trick-or-treaters realized that this candy bowl is empty and decided to help out.
There's no candy! Yeah. Come on, guys, don't rude! Don't worry! Some candy for other people. Don't worry! Come on, guys.
Oh.
This guy walked barefoot through a flood to make a delivery. He suddenly recognized his food delivery driver as an old friend that he hasn't seen in over 12 years.
Whoa, imagine.
doing? Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, thank you, appreciate it, bro. Oh, yeah, man. You too. Yo, hold up. Are you Rashad? Oh, Jerry? Oh!
Oh, so nice.
This
Let's
guy discovered
go.
a faster way to do his job.
Damn. Restoring hope for humanity, as they say, you know.
A raccoon chased this woman and her dog inside the house. This delivery guy never saw the dog there.
Enjoy.
Don't you hate it when you forget something after you already left the house?
Oh my god, my leg! Carter's Max, get my leg!
This poor delivery guy had a heavy package. This professor won a Nobel Prize, and his neighbors came over at 2 a.m. to tell him about it.
Paul? It's Bob Wilson. Yeah? You won the Nobel... You've won the Nobel Prize. And
What?
so they're trying to reach you, but they cannot. They don't seem to have a number for you.
We gave them your cell phone number.
Yeah, I have. Wow.
Wow. Like, is that his reaction?
This pizza driver really wanted to smell their flowers.
So cute. An orange cat.
Their doorbell camera captured this amazing meteor flying over Portugal.
Holy.
Someone got some food delivered, and in the special instructions specifically asked the delivery person to kick the food as hard as they could.
What? You got some fetish, man, right?
This house was struck by lightning.
I respect that. He asked for it. Whoa.
He was caught trying to steal this package.
Camera recording.
I was just joking.
This guy dropped off some packages and then left, but then
That's
came
so
back
good.
a few seconds later, pretended to be someone else, and stole them. This delivery guy was nice enough to prune these flowers.
Smart pants.
Just had the flowers, lady.
They were getting ready to go to the party.
Oh, that's a good car.
I guess that this bear thought this deer decoration was real and decided to eat it. I guess you never know when squirrels might attack. The police started changing the locks on the wrong house.
Hello?
Hello?
What are you doing?
We're here to finalize the eviction.
What eviction?
It was posted a week ago.
It was posted last week.
On my house?
Yes, ma'am. What is your name?
My name is Jennifer, and that is my house.
Hey, we do apologize. We have the wrong house.
I just wanted to see if you knew any kids around like
Oh, that's
11 or
a
12
yeah.
maybe, because I need some friends, like really bad.
The house to your right, there's 2 kids that live there.
They're not my friends anymore because they're bullies to me.
Oh, I'm sorry about that, man.
So this video exploded on social media and the internet did their thing and raised almost $40,000 in 3 days. The internet also managed to find some friends to hang out with him. She had to go to a mosque to attend a funeral, but she didn't know how to wear a headscarf, so she asked her Muslim neighbor for help.
I'm going to a funeral, okay? All right, I've got to get a scarf. I don't know could you just tell me how to put it on because I got to go to the mosque?
Yeah, I'm gonna grab a scarf and I'm gonna show you right now.
Okay, like this?
Yeah.
Put it like this?
It looks beautiful.
Oh, okay.
Exactly like that.
Oh my God, thank you so much.
You know, you can even keep that because I have a million at home.
His friends ding-dong ditched his house, and he decided to do a motivational speech instead.
You can see me. Get out of here, bub. And you matter, alright? There's always gonna be somebody that cares about you. And you're a good person. No matter what people say, you matter.
Straight in the
Ignore
face.
them, they're losers. The ding-dong ditching you. I'm just trying to say something nice.
That is the end of this video.
Holy, what is
And I'll
that?
see
An
you
next
again
Elon Musk?
very soon. Later.
That was crazy.